Hey, what's up everyone?
Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel, and if you are new and this is your first time coming across our channel, hi, hello. You, my friend, look absolutely beautiful today. Sorry, that was disgusting. You look absolutely beautiful today.
So, today's video, guys, something a bit different and something that you've probably never actually seen
From us.
thought you would see from us, yeah. But we're doing a come pack with me / us. Ta-da! Yay!
I was so enthusiastic.
But anyways, we're doing a come pack with us, and do you want to tell them where we're going?
We, my beautiful people, we...
This sounds like we're going abroad, we're really not.
Girl, we wish we could go
We
abroad.
wish we were going abroad.
My bank account says no.
Computer says no.
So for us, we are going to Manchester.
Now we're hoping by the time this video goes out, we're either still there.
No, by the time this video goes out, we would have either.
We're just hoping this video goes out whilst we're still there and not when we've returned. Just keep on the lookout because you will be getting some sort of Manchester video coming your way
next week. And if that's your cup of tea, you might as well subscribe and stick around. But anyways, let's get into this video. So we've got our suitcases.
What I'm going to talk you through real quick, just because I have it packed already and I'm not going to be taking this bit out, but you'll see a quick clip here. But what's in here is just basically makeup, wipes, underwear.
To start off with, so first outfit that we're starting with.
You might as well start because I feel like you've got much more
I do have, okay, to be fair, some of these are photo outfits and then some of them are outfits for taking pictures in.
Like living in, going out in, I don't know what you want to call it.
Yes, photo outfits and actually doing stuff outfits.
See, this is where I think we differed a bit because majority of my outfits, if not almost all of them, work as like picture outfits, but also outfits that I can just wear. Whereas I think you went very out for your picture outfits.
Okay, first outfit. I have gone with, this is not even the first outfit. The thing is, I don't really know what
it's
my
first outfit as in first outfit she's packing, not necessarily the first outfit she's going to wear.
Yeah.
Let's put it that way.
Because we're going to different places. We're going to be there for
3 days,
2 nights, 3 days.
So we're there Friday to Sunday.
Technically, this isn't really an outfit. I have my lovely skirt. You know, my lovely skirt. I'm going to just throw that in there. I don't really know how to pack, I'm not going to lie. Apparently you roll, but then when I roll, everything just seems to be fat. So I'm just going to chuck it in there.
That's because you roll the things that are naturally big.
And then I have my white top like this, but then at the same time it's long sleeve. But it did say it was going to rain. So if it's going to rain, then long sleeve. If it's not going to rain, then short sleeve. And then I'm going to pair that with... What shoes did I say I was going to pair it with? I don't remember because I have 3 multiple shoes.
We're just going to show you the shoes and then...
You know my lovely collared shoes that I've never seemed to break in yet? It's now it's time. And I'm going to pair with one of them. Which one should I pair it with? Sophie tells me this one. Sophie tells me to pair it with this one.
I think that's what we said.
I think I was going to pair it with this one.
Well, my first outfit, I'm honestly just going to reach the first outfit that I can see. And it's going to just be these blue jeans. Also, just going to say now, all my clothes essentially still have tags on them because they're all new. This little off the shoulder top and then just a Zara jacket because again, if it rains, jacket. If it doesn't, I don't need it. You get the gist. And then for shoes, you all know what it looks like, so I'm just going to say it. I'm just going to use my Air Forces, so my normal white Air Forces with it.
Okay, next what I have is this new denim jacket. It's oversized jackets and I don't know what I'm wearing it with, but it looked too cute for me not to bring it along. So we've got this. We also have this black top, you know, maybe I'll do the black top with my black jeans like this. I don't know, you know, right now I'm going for a little midlife crisis. I was like, you know, I'm just going to chuck everything in the bag and then go from there. So that's what I've got. I'm literally just going to pack and then when I get there, decide what I'm going to wear. Because this jeans that I brought is actually going out jeans, but then I can wear them with anything. But then I feel like the jacket is too oversized because it's like denim on denim, but you need to do denim on denim right.
But I feel like blue denim on black denim works. It's when you do blue denim on blue denim, you have to make sure it's the same shade. That's when it gets tricky.
you know, we're gonna sort it out as we go along.
So my next outfit is, I don't have it with me in terms of at this moment, but I'm gonna be pairing all this with my,
oh my days, we got same shades. Well, more or less same shades.
Yeah.
Sorry, the trousers.
I'm gonna be pairing this outfit I'm gonna show you with my Zara cropped denim jacket. I just don't have it on me at this moment in time, but it's this top. Again, it's got the tag on it, and it's not see-through, just to say, like, it does have that on the inside. It just looks like it is. And then these jeans, which is the ones that Alexis was saying, but basically got a similar shade. But I will be pairing this in terms of trainers with my Dior trainers, and that's the next outfit.
My suitcase is already full.
Go ahead and show you this outfit.
It's like already full. Like, let me show you guys. Look at that. It's like already full. We've still got this load here and that load to go through. So that's a little sneak peek into what I have, by the way. Okay, so so for this outfit, it's not really outfit, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. But this is more of a picture outfit because Manchester will not catch us flopping. They will not catch us flopping. So I brought my black poofy dress, if you guys remember from our, was it like a Valentine's Day? Wow, I still haven't worn it from there. You know, we've been locked indoors. I get locked up, they won't let me out. So I brought my black poofy dress with me, you know, no, this is 2-in-1 outfit. I'm not gonna lie to you. Or my lovely dress that I wore.
We call it the Nella Rose dress.
Yeah, because she looked amazing in it, so I was like, I have to buy it. So you know that lovely green dress that everybody seemingly has now because she influenced and she did her influencing job correctly. She was influencing what she was supposed to be influencing, you know what I mean? So I brought those two dresses.
Can we bear in mind though that I told her to bring this dress?
She told me to bring this because the thing is, I don't have nothing to wear with. I want to wear it with boots. I want to wear it with trainers.
I personally said if worst comes to worst, you can always take a picture and crop out her feet.
That's probably most likely.
I did with my most recent picture, ironically, on Instagram. I cut off my feet because I was wearing my Puma slides in it because I didn't actually have shoes that I was going to pair it with. So
so those are my 2-in-1 outfits. If I'm going to go dressy, this is what I'm going to do.
Since you showed your two most dressy outfits, I'm going to do the same.
Okay.
Also because one of them kind of uses one piece of item for both outfits.
My packing is unbelievable right now. It's very messy.
So, first outfit, so this will be my most dressy outfit. Do I need to take it out of the packaging?
If you want to.
It's from Opoly, as you can tell. Please ignore the size of what this dress looks like because it looks absolutely tiny. I promise you it does stretch to fit, but this is what it looks like. So it's got this little thingy, what do you call it, a little knot thing with a little cut out there. But it's just like ruched. But I was going to pair this with...
I did it!
Really? You're so gonna crinkle that up.
No, because sorry, I was like, last night I didn't even pack it properly. It's like 1 in the morning. I was like shoving everything in, and now I'm like, I've softened it down. Oh my goodness.
But
Okay,
anyways,
sorry.
It's gonna be this dress with this blazer that I got from, again, Pretty Little Thing. So this like sort of over the shoulder kind of moment, and then this bag, and I would pair it with my mules. Since Alexis likes to moan about that word.
Because all she says is mule. She doesn't say
because
heels.
it's what they're called.
She doesn't say sandals. She says mules.
Because that's what they're called.
She doesn't choose any other one. She just
go
mules.
on the website, they're called mules.
Anyways.
Moving on. And then, featuring again the blazer, it's actually part of a co-ward set that Pretty Little Thing do. So these are the cute little matching shorts. And it's got pockets, guys. It's got pockets. And then the way the model had it on.
Sorry, that's an inside joke. I
didn't know that's what you were laughing at. But anyways, on the model, when they were showing this co-ward set, the model had like this cute little like bralette type thing. I wasn't gonna go out my way to now go buy one when I already had this one from Primark. It's just, you know, the little £5 bra and thong sets that they do. So I'm just gonna use this to pair with the shorts and then just have the blazer on just like over the top. And then this again, I can either pair with my mules if I'm trying to be like fancy, or my Air Forces, because then it just ties in like the whites, because it will always be also be featured with this bag.
What have we got next, Dora? I have this tennis skirt and then I have this black top. So I have these ones here. I have these like white trainers, like, you know, my chunky white trainers I have. Or then if I want to change my mind, I can put the black top with these jeans. You know my jeans that I bought from my recent video. If you want, I can link that for you. I'll probably pair those together. And then in terms of the jacket, because it says it's raining, right, hear me out. And I know it's
This is
summer.
where you sound like you're trying to, what's it called, like make your outfit make sense.
I'm really trying to make everything make sense as of right now because it doesn't even make sense to me. But this poofy jacket, because if it rains, oh my gosh, this is a throw outfit and an all day outfit. I think I got it. So this jeans, yeah, with the black top, or maybe a white top even, but my white top's in the wash, so hopefully they're out of the wash before I need to go. Otherwise I'm just gonna sit and cry and then just go to my birthday suit. I don't think anyone wants to see that. So, you know, we paired with this to get, oh my gosh, this is the thing, I don't take pictures, so then when it comes to planning an outfit, I'm just like, I have an existential midlife crisis and I don't know what to do. Either imagine this top with this and this on, or maybe a white top with this, and then, oh my days, and then the shoes. Yes, I've figured it out, I've cracked the case. I've solved the puzzle.
Well done.
Thank you. So
I'm just gonna quickly.
Sorry.
You do not need to say sorry.
Sorry. Okay, I'm good now. Let me just pack this while you talk.
So I'm gonna quickly show the outfit that I'll be wearing on the way for it to kind of lead in to the next outfit. If that makes sense.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna wear these Primark leggings that I've got. It's actually the fleeced ones because I don't know if it's gonna. It probably will be cold in the morning here, and I don't know if it's gonna be cold when we get there. So I thought let me just wear that. And then the t-shirt that we actually got in our previous video, the Face Jam
that
one.
I picked out and she actually eventually ended up
Keeping. I kept it because I like the fit with it. I think it's quite cute. But yeah, I'm gonna wear this with it, like sort of like tucked in a little bit on the side. And then because we were planning on doing, what's that thing called? The ninja.
Total Ninja.
That when we get there, I'm gonna basically change into these cycling shorts and then just keep the same t-shirt because although when I first change it up it might be cold, but I just figured whilst we're moving around and jumping about I'll probably get hot, so this and this. That's the end of that.
Okay, so with me, I'm more or less done, I promise you. We say we're almost done, but
I'm done.
Questionable.
That's the end of mine.
I just packed all my jeans because I like these jeans, but these are my oversized jeans. You know the ones I normally wear? I normally wear these jeans whenever like to do anything, like to go out, you know. So I'm also packing these just in case I feel like on the day I wake up and I'm like, no, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna pack this in there as well. To be fair, I need to pack everything so I can take it back home. So not really much of a choice here. And then I did bring this shirt. So I have this shirt. Maybe I'm gonna wear this shirt with the maybe wear this shirt with my white top underneath, like a short sleeve white top, and then the blue jeans that I just showed you guys, the long oversized one I literally showed you 2 seconds ago, with one of my trainers. Oh, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. There we go. That's one of my outfits. Okay, so let me quickly run through what's going on with you guys. It's not really that nicely packed, but you know it's okay. Daniella's one is nice for the both of us.
Done.
We have these jogger bottoms, just in case I don't wear the black ones I'm wearing right now for the Space Ninja. For Total Ninja, in case I like decide I want to wear this instead, or I don't wear this on the day, like when we're going, then it's there, you know. Or if I want to be just comfy. Then we have both my crop shirts from Zara, both white and in pink. And apparently they have a blue long version, and I'm tempted to buy the blue, but then I don't need the blue. But I'm tempted. I'll think about it. Okay, and lastly,
oh my god, it has ended.
This is one last piece of clothing item. And lastly, we're gonna go with everyone's favourite jacket.
Cute. Ow. You're gonna whack yourself in the face again.
Everyone's favourite jacket because, like I said, this jacket is a part of me. And of course, 2 more things. These are the last 2 things. We're obviously gonna take our little camera to document it. Document a few seconds because it only takes like 5 minutes worth and we don't have another smaller memory card for it, but we're gonna pack this with us, you know. And of course, how can you forget?
What? The camera.
We're gonna have to pack everyone else with us. Come on.
You should just put that in my bag at this rate.
Oh no, it doesn't even fit there. Sorry, let's go into this bag. Bye bye. Oh wait, that was a flop. Anyways, I'm so sorry, that was an ugly angle. I'm so sorry, that was an ugly angle.
No, that's
that was
a guess if it actually.
We don't know if it's framed
or not. But that's about it, really.
Really?
Really?
Because you said it, I had to do it.
So we're just going to quickly show you like an overview, I guess, of what, not necessarily what it looks like final, because it may change, who knows, but what we've got going on so far.
So as you can see, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Her one's nicely more packed than mine. She probably might take things out or maybe change.
Do you know what it is? I think my one's only more neatly packed because I purposely wanted a suitcase that did the whole like split thing where it had like one side was the zippy thing and the other side was the little clippy thing.
If you want to see what we get up to in Manchester, because it's going to be a fun 3-day weekend for us. Yeah, so if you want to come along with us on the journey, you know what to do, guys. Just like and you have to subscribe.
And then make sure you press that little bell that reminds you when we have uploaded.
And if you want to see some of the pictures we post, you might as well follow our Instagram and our other social medias.
Yeah.
Because that's where we would be.
That's what we'll be posting it.
Maybe. I say no.
Stop
you guys
it.
actually have to bully me because Instagram, I haven't
You need
fed
to
you
write
guys.
down in the comments, make sure you post your pictures. And this could go to both of us realistically because I may look at pictures and be like, no, I don't like them. So
The thing is,
so you need to say it.
the pictures look great, like 100% perfect. But she doesn't want to do it. If I could hack into your account, I'll post it myself.
Do you know what it is though? It's like, you know when they say you're more self-critical? You're more self-critical on yourself. I am like the epitome of that. Like I am so self-critical when it comes to looking at my own pictures that I need like probably a good 5 people to say you need to post a picture for me to actually.
Okay, there's
post
gonna
a
be
picture.
about there's all 5 of us going. There's 5 of us going, so 4 people at least gonna say post it. Yeah, so just make sure just to follow our Instagrams and our other social medias here on the screen where the magical
Pop-ups are coming.
Our ads pop up on the screen and also be linked down below because it's also there.
The usual.
You need to see it. And hopefully you guys come along with us on the journey.
But yeah, guys, we will see you when we are in
Manchester. South Londoners take on Manchester or Manny, whichever works best.
Whichever works best.
And we will see you guys there. Bye. I love you guys, you sexy people.
Oh, that again.
I love doing this. I love you guys, you sexy people. You know, just don't forget to 079 me.
Don't.
Yeah, 079 me.
Don't,
Okay.
because she won't respond.
Yes, yes, I will. Bye.
Bye.